You have electrical problems in your boat? Of course, 95% of the problems in a boat are electric problems and electronic problems. You need to be prepared to solve those problems. How? With good preparation. With the Marine Electricity Handbook, last edition, in that wonderful book, you find information about everything AC and DC. AC panels, DC panels, batteries, troubleshooting with generators, troubleshooting with inverters, with pedestals, with transformers, with motors. That book follows the ABYC recommendations for electricity. With that book, you can solve all the problems in a boat, of course, with the book and the videos. In my website, www.mrlopezclasses.com, you will find more than 400 videos related with electricity, electronics, and other topics. Please visit my website, buy the book. Only in my website you buy the original book, my book, the Marine Electricity Handbook. Buy it.